Another journal that I've made, and this one is a sunflower themed journal, and I used a kit from ARTYmaze, and I will link that below. It's not a traveller's notebook kit, but I've made it into a traveller's notebook sized journal, just using some of the papers. I've done some layering on the front. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There are 64 pages front and back, and it will be also listed in my shop, and that will be linked below. I've used this coloured patterned cardstock, which is kind of plain, and then I've sewn it onto some coffee dyed cardstock, which has been stenciled. It's kind of chunky. So let's go inside. Obviously this is a page from the kit. Here we have, the pockets are quite heavily tucked in this one. There's lots of things tucked inside there. This is a fold out inspired by Terri Woods. She's got tutorials on her channel, and that's linked below as well, if you want to go over and see how she does these. And there's quite a few different ones, and also Climmy Creations, she's got some on hers as well. So we've got the little double mason jar from the kit, bingo card from the kit, a tag, these tickets which I've just folded in half so you could journal on them. There's a tag from the kit, and it's been sewn onto coffee dyed paper, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and then a large tag. And let's see if I can get all this popped back in there again. There's stamping and stenciling on the pages as well, and let's pop that in. Like I said, each one's got quite a lot of tags and ephemera in them. Got some edge punching and some stenciling. There's an envelope here, some ephemera, tag from the kit, and a journal card from the kit, and that's been sewn onto some Tia coffee dyed paper. This is from the old design shop. The envelope is left open. I've done a little booklet in there, and what I was thinking, instead of obviously trimming these off, I was going to, but obviously didn't, put like a little belly band across there, and then you've got another tuck. But yeah, I forgot to do that. It was on my mind, and then obviously forgot, but that was on my mind to do. So there's an option for you when you don't close your envelopes up. And that's just stenciled and stamped. Another page from the kit, crocheted trim on some of the pages, pocket from the kit, and we just have some ephemera and a tag. And this is a little envelope which doesn't have anything in it because I've used the journal cards throughout the journal, so you can pop something in there. Some more stenciling, and there's some nice patterns on here with the coffee that I sprayed on after it's been coffee dyed. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip with doily and a ticket and a butterfly. We have some ephemera, another tag from the kit. This is just a little fold out using one of the journal cards. You can do lots more journaling on that. Didn't fold that up very well. Another envelope. This one has actually got a journal card in it. It actually matches the front, and it's the same image that's on the front as well. It pops in there, and then we have this tag. Some more edge punching, and we have a paper bag, some inventory paper, another old design shop paper, vintage paper, and another journal card, and then we have another one of these that you can write on. Some more crocheted trim. This page is really shimmery, and we have the centre of signature, stamping, stenciling, another journal card from the kit, and this is from the old design shop, and it's all been coffee dyed again. It's all got shimmer to it. I like that look now, the shimmer is pretty. I missed that completely. I've done that on last night's video as well. I've sat again too far away from my my table, so I'm really struggling to stretch around. I will learn. The other side of that inventory paper, the other side of the paper bag, and some fluffy bits in there. Another pocket here that flips up. Tag with a butterfly and a doily. Got a large tag here. Tag from the kit, it's been sewn to coffee dyed paper. Some ephemera. It's from Salami Rose. Another one of these journal cards on some lined paper. A tag, a double journaling card. I love that sunflower. It's so kind of puts me in mind of something that would have been painted years ago. Another pocket from the kit with a tag, some ephemera, and another pocket, not a pocket, an envelope that you can tuck something in. This is another envelope which I have done the same thing with, added a booklet and left them there. If you wanted to, you could trim them off, or like I said, you could put the little belly band across there and just make another pocket tuck. So that's that. Whoopsie. And behind, tucked in behind that, is this ephemera and a tag and a journaling card from the kits. And we have another Terri Woods inspired double pocket fold out. Let's pull all that out and I'll show you that. So it flips down, opens up that way, and then you've got all that space to journal on. And a doily, a ticket and a butterfly. We have a large tag, a tag from the kit. I'm making a right mess here. A tag from the kit. Oh, I'm really setting it at a really awkward angle. A stamp tag, journaling card, a bingo card from the kit, little journal tag from the kit, and I popped in a postcard. So there's quite a lot in there as well. And the paper clip just tucks in there, and that is the back page. And as you can see, it's quite full with bits. So I will link ARTYmaze below. It's also in my shop, which will be linked below. I've got the links to the tutorials for the flip outs below, and anything else that I've find that you might be interested in will be linked below as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.